What's up, guys? It's Marissa from Krietz Customs. I have Brian here with me today. He is getting ready to see his truck for the very first time. He's graduating in May of this year, and as a graduation present, his dad is giving him a brand new Krietz Customs build. Are you excited to see your truck?
Yes, very.
I'm very excited to see it. I've already seen it, so I'm sorry I ruined the surprise for myself, but I'm excited for your reaction. We're super excited to see his truck, so we are going to go see it in 3, 2, 1.
Oh, wow. That's nice. Thank you.
You're welcome. This is a really nice build.
I love the steps too. It's perfect. I love it.
Perfect?
Yeah.
That's awesome. Alrighty, so what we did to Brian's 2016 Ram 1500, we added a 6-inch zone off-road suspension lift. We also added some XD grenades in a 20x10 and also some trail grapplers in a 35, 12, 50, 20. We did add the NFAB steps to this one as well, and we also added a bed liner from Linex. So all in all, I think this build turned out perfect.
Yep.
I think it did.
Definitely.
If you guys want to build your truck, make sure you shoot us a message on Facebook at Krietz Customs. Go to our website at KrietzCustoms.com or even look me up at Marissa at Krietz Customs. We'll be happy to help you.